everyone, and welcome back to my channel, and a very happy Diwali to all of you. So this time I am going to film a book tour video again. Yes, you heard it right. I just recently filmed like 2 to 3 months back, I guess, a book tour haul. That was my first book tour haul. I loved their books. So this time I've got few more books. It's heavy. So this time I've bought 7 books for 758 rupees, and I have also received a free gift from them, that is a scented candle. You must be wondering what she's looking at. I've written all the books and their prices. And the delivery, I mean, like, it's crazy. I've got 1 day delivery from Bookchore. That's like really amazing. Last time I ordered, I guess I waited for 3 to 4 days, and this time it got delivered in 1 day. I ordered it on 4th at midnight and I received it today. Okay, so without wasting any further time, let's just quickly unpack it because I couldn't wait any further. That's why I was at home today and I also decided to film this video. I was like, okay, let's just do it. I have also many other pending hauls to be filmed. I recently bought books from Amazon as well, and I don't know when I'll be filming that video. Maybe soon, anytime soon I'll be filming that video. Let's see. And I've also got a freebie, that is a scented candle. Let's see what's the scent. I guess it's lavender. And the package, I really love their packaging, this foam thing. If you haven't watched my previous video, I will link it somewhere here or in the description box as well to give it a look. Like this time I've got like, I'm sorry.
"2,000 years later."
And like, just look at their packaging. I really loved it. I hope Amazon does this as well. Okay, let's just quickly unwrap it. And oh my god, here are the books inside it. Here are the books. Okay, so here's the freebie. I'll be opening it at the end of the video. Please wait. Let's just see what are the books that I've got. So the first book is, okay, so I have the note as well. Hello Priya, it's so good to see you again. We promise that we will always try to make you smile when you open the package, and I'm already smiling. I really loved it. So the first book is Mini Shopaholic by Sophie Kinsella. This is going to be my first Sophie Kinsella book, and I got it for rupees 80, and it is from the readable category. You can see, I mean, like, it has a crack. The book is a bit dirty, but what can you expect for 80 rupees and a readable category book? There are no names written. That's what I look in every book, that I don't want any names or markings to be here and there. I mean, like, it's pretty cool to get it for 80 rupees. This was the book from the readable category. So let's see how I enjoy it. Okay, so the second book we have. Okay, so the second book is P.S. I Love You by Cecilia Ahern. I've been eyeing this book for such a long time. I really wanted to read this. And this one I got for 99 rupees, and this one was from the good category. It's a good book. Okay, the pages are definitely yellow. That's fine. It has been read. It has a crack. It's a bit dirty, but I can make it work. It's a bit dirty, otherwise it's all good. So this was the second book for 99 rupees. So the next book is, okay, so it's a hardcover. It is Requiem in Raga Janki by Neelum Saran Gaur, and this one is for 99 rupees, and it is a new book. It's a hardcover, as you can see. This is the book jacket, but it's like dirty from below. It has black thing, I don't know what, it's dirt. And it's white. I really didn't wanted it to be dirty. That's like, okay, fine, I can work it out. This is the book. It's a hardcover for 99 rupees, and it was from new category. Okay, moving on to the next book, we have Vanara by Anand Neelkanthan, and it is also a new book, but I don't know why their new books are dirty. Maybe they have lots of stock. That's why, but it's dirty. Otherwise, the pages are new. It's also from Penguin Publishers. Pages are new. Everything is new, but the sides are a bit really dirty. I have also read Asura by Anand Neelkantan. That is the same author, and I really loved that book. I would highly recommend it to someone who wants to read, about Ramayana and all. You can definitely read that book too. So I wanted to give it a try. Okay, so this was from new category I got this for 89 rupees, I guess. I've written 69, but I guess it was for 89 rupees. Moving on to the next book, which is The Fault in Our Stars by John Green. And I got this for rupees 128, and it is in the good category. Obviously, it has been read. Pages are yellow, but it's in very good condition. No names written. That's great. Yeah. The quality is good. Okay, so it's Penguin Publisher, obviously the quality has to be good. The pages are yellow. It has, people have folded it, but they wanted to remember something, or it got folded by accident, I don't know. But this is the book. The sheet is coming off, but it's from the good category. It's all right. Next book I have is Amba by Lakshmi Pamunjak. I'm sorry, but I'm not able to pronounce her name. And this is the book. The cover is like dead gorgeous. It's like a red. It is dirty. I don't know why all their books came dirty this time. And I got this for rupees 99, and it is a new book. Okay, it is a new book, and the same dirt is here too. I don't know where this dirt is coming from, but it's nice. This is the book. It also has the same thing behind, like this back cover, and this is the cover. It is nice. So this is the 6th book, I guess. Yes. Oh my god. It is a hardcover. It is Jeffrey Archer's The Best Kept Secret, and I got this for rupees 164, and it is almost new. I mean, like, if you have watched my previous video, I've read the book which comes before this. That is The Sins of the Father. It is the book from the series The Clifton Chronicles by Jeffrey Archer, and it is like a new book. It is a new book. Can you see that? It is now this is called a really great steal deal, because it's like totally new cover. Okay, so I didn't expect this to be a hardcover. Oh my god, like, seriously, I've got a hardcover. That's like really amazing. I just didn't expect it to be a hardcover. So yeah, thank you so much for this hardcover. So this time I've got 2 hardcovers, right? But this was unexpected. I knew that was a hardcover because I've read the description, but I just didn't know that it was a hardcover, and it is in the almost new category. But I think it is a new book. It's just totally a new book. And like, I'm really happy with that. Haven't I got any bookmarks this time? Bookstore haven't sent me any bookmarks this time. Bye. Have they forgotten to send me bookmarks? Okay, so this is a book I've got from them. Let me just check if they have put bookmarks under the books. Let me just see. No, they haven't sent me any bookmarks this time. They forgot to send me bookmarks. So it's really sad that I haven't received a single bookmark this time. Have I dropped? No, I haven't. They haven't sent me a single bookmark. Get really happy if I received a bookmark, but I haven't. Let me just check again. No, there are no bookmarks. Okay, that's fine. So these are the books that I've got. This hardcover, this one, this this, and oh, it's heavy. Okay. And this one. These are the books that I've got for 758 rupees. These are 7 books. Oops, I forgot. I have also got a freebie. So this is the freebie that I've got, and it is a scented candle, I guess. Let's see how does it looks like. Okay, so this is the candle. How will you open that? Okay, so it's not really good. It seems like butterscotch. Sorry, vanilla. It's vanilla. Yeah, it is vanilla. Okay, so it is like, okay, it's fine, it's free, so it's like fine. I'm going to burn it. I'm going to light it up. So this is the candle. Okay, it's written vanilla caramel, that's why I got confused between butterscotch. So it smells really nice. It smells like, something to eat. Okay, that's it. Okay, so this is all I've got this time. I'm really disappointed that I didn't get any bookmarks, but that's fine, but that's okay. I guess they might have been forgotten. I'm going to again look for it. If I get, I'll link it in the description whether I've got the bookmarks or not. So yeah, that's it for today's video, and these are all the things that I've got for 758 rupees. And I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, do give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. See you in my next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.